Hey, what's up? This is the next video about iOutdoor X, and this time we will talk about camera. You can already watch unboxing and performance test of this phone by the links in description. Tomorrow we will make the battery test. So iOutdoor X has very promising cameras. The dual rear camera has 16 megapixels and 8 megapixel sensors with f1.8 aperture. There is beauty, bokeh and night modes. The front camera has 13 megapixel lens. It also provides some useful modes, such as beauty. It has 100 degrees wide angle, so you can take group selfie. Now let's review camera app and its functions, and then look at real sample photos and videos. The camera app is stock for mobile devices on MediaTek processors. Here you can see shutter button, video mode, and gallery icon on the bottom. On the top there are flashlight, portrait mode, and change to selfie camera. Also you can swipe to the right to find other modes, such as panorama, HDR, beauty and bokeh. Click the camera settings to get more options. There is photo and video resolution, shutter sound, GPS location, etc. Now let's look at real sample photos in different light conditions. By the way, you can find the original photos and videos by the link in description. As for the image quality, it actually isn't bad. The focus is fast, contrast looks good, and in general the photos come out bright and detailed. If we talk about portrait mode, I think it is fake. When you shoot images in bokeh effect, you will have a circle in the center, and you can change its blur level. So it is not automatically, as it should be, very bad. The front camera is quite weak. As you can see, the photo is not as clear as we would like. Also it gives yellow. iOutdoor X has some problems with shooting at night. Yes, you can make some good images, but mostly the images are overexposed, unclear and poor quality. As for the video shooting, everything is not so good here. Yes, the footage has saturated colors, but it is quite shaky, especially when you go and shoot video. As you understand, there is no image stabilization. Also, for some reason, the focus jumps all the time. It is annoying, and I don't know how to solve the problem. The shooting video at night is terrible. The footage is grainy and it looks like a slow motion. I do not recommend shooting video at night on this smartphone. So camera test showed that iOutdoor X is not as good as it seemed from unboxing video. Yes, you can take really good images in daytime. However, selfie and portrait photos are weak. Also, the smartphone has problems with video shooting, especially at night. And what do you think about iOutdoor X camera? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.